Hello there guys, we're back in Olhão. Going to continue part 2 of the backstreets. Come and join me. So right opposite the markets you've got a little back street here with a cracking little bar stroke restaurant called Sete Estrelas. The cheapest wine in Olhão in there. Let's see how busy it is. There's a few people in there having lunch, mainly locals. It does the best wines there. They'll even fill you a 5-litre bottle up. They have different qualities, anywhere between 8 and 10 euro. This is one of the restaurants that's closed. This is quite a nice one, that as well. I can't remember the name of it. Petisqueria. We come out onto the square, where it's a mixture of lovely fish restaurants. Smells beautiful. Got the sports bar over there, Prego de Fundo, showing you all the football. And this is my little favourite bar, Elvets. The wine, beer and food in there is very, very cheap. Good quality as well. And this place is busy all year round. So I might be looking, the shops are still open. So there's a few Indian shops here. Got the kebab up here. You okay? Not only does it do kebabs, it does pizzas and it even does fish and chips. It's a cracking little place. Now, the Indian restaurant I showed you before, the same guy owns the kebab up, and also, if we do it right here, got typical pasteleria here, Portuguese pasteleria, and here is Indian hut. This is the original one. We've been coming in here for about 15 years. The food is really good in here. And we've also had Christmas lunch in there, and this is the same guys, look. $6.50 for vegetarian curry. Chicken curry $6.50. I think the dearest one they do is the prawn one. It's €8. House wine $8.50 for a litre. That's not bad at all. I don't know how busy the back streets will be. All the shops are shutting for lunch now. Hopefully I can show you a couple of nice restaurants to go to if they're open. Now right in front of me on the right there's an all-you-can-eat sushi restaurant, and up until the other week when we done King Yo in Albufeira, I'd never really fancied sushi, but it was a big mistake. It was lovely. So, but this is not just it is just sushi. It's not like Chinese and sushi. It's pure sushi. Yeah, it's all you can eat. There's a couple of traditional Portuguese cafes here. Normally do dish of the day. I'll try and check the prices out, guys. Yeah, €8 for a pork dish. But they're all €8 actually. You've got Old Trevo's, a little fish restaurant down there. I'll just show you, I'll walk around in a little circle here. We've got the church. There's a few more restaurants down the pedestrianised bit there. And there's a nice bar over there. Has live music on in the evenings. And I'll just point out Another hotel that's doing cheap bookings this time of year. It's one of the newer ones in Olhão. It's called the Concept Ria Formosa. Has a rooftop swimming pool. I don't know if you can check that out. Don't know if you can see it, guys. That was a lovely swimming pool. Spoke to people that have stayed there. They said it's lovely. Got stunning views of the Ria Formosa. It's got a Chinese shop selling the souvenirs. Hopefully, the restaurant I'm hoping to show you is open. I do know you go on holiday October, November every year, so hopefully he's been and gone and he's open. We've got a little one here called Olhao. I have been in it a few times with some friends. It is open. Not so many sat out. There's a couple inside. Yeah, traditional Portuguese fish restaurant that. I'll weave my way through here, guys, and hopefully we'll come out at the fish restaurant. Yep, do a right here, and there it is, Ria Volta. Now this place in the summer at 12 o'clock, you got to put your name down on a book to get in. It's an all-you-can-eat fish restaurant, I think with wine and the lunch, about €20. Cracking little place that, guys. So if you're ever in Olhão, do check it out. Some beautiful cubist houses in Olhão. Unfortunately, the prices have gone crazy, as they have in most places. Then in front of us we've got Park Cafe. Does snacks, coffees, wines, beers. And on the other side of it there's a garden, and they do have live entertainment there. And then just across the road we have Cool Wheels. The person that owns the panorama bar that I shown you on the front, he also owns this. So he rents out electric bikes, scooters and even cars now. So if you're in the area and you fancy getting out and about for the day, then check Anthony out. There's another little fairly new cafe here. See what it's called. Oh, it's called Mob Cafe. I will give it a try. It's not a proper restaurant, it's just a cafe. So there's Park Cafe. It's got free Wi-Fi there. And then just at the back of it, you've got Pingados Supermarket. I think it's actually undergoing some construction work because it was getting slightly dated, so they're doing it up. And there's the beer garden, guys. If you need any DIY tools, Raminha's there, that's the place to go. Yeah, it's still under construction, this. So if we walk down here, guys, it should bring us out right near where the ferries are. So we come out at the zebras. Zebra crossing right near where you get the commercial boat. So you can go over. Now, Olhão's changed loads over the years, but this bar here survived the test of time. It's been here 20 years as we know it. This is where you buy your ferry tickets for the islands. If I go close, show you. If you want to zoom in and pause it, guys, you'll be able to see the times. That's for Armona. And this one is for Ferrol and Calatra. But if you do happen to miss one of the boats and you'd like to get over there, then you just take a private taxi. Which I'll show you where to get it. Now all the islands that I've told you about, Armona is over in that direction and Ferrol and Calatra in that direction, are all traffic free. Got some lovely bars and restaurants on there. And a really nice, pleasant day out in the winter if you get a day like today. So there's all the taxi boats lined up, guys. And at the end is where you get the commercial ferry. Oh, what a gorgeous day today, guys. Get yourselves over here for a short little trip. You won't be disappointed. So here's one of the boats that take you over to the islands. They have 2 or 3 of them, they swap over each week. One time that will go to Armona, then the next week it'll go to Calatra. There's a water taxi going over to Armona now as we speak. So guys, if you'd like this walking tour, hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.